Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a problem from Leetcode called two-sum. Here, if we focus on the question, here it is given that a number which is a list and a target we have, and now we have to focus on the target value, and from the list value we have to find out that which of the two numbers summation is equal to the target value, and in output we have to return the indexes of those summations value. Here if we look at the example 1, if we add up 2 and 7, we get the target value equal 9. So we in the output we need to return the 2 and 7 values index number, which are 0 and 1. For the second example, we can see that in the list 3 numbers are given, 3 to 4, and we need to return the summation values index number. Here the target value is 6, and we know if we add up 2 and 4 here, then we get the target value. Here we need to return the index number of 2 and 4, which are 1 and 2. Now if we look at the simulation here, here given a list 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we are given a target value 8. So if we look at here, if we add this 3 and 5, we get the target value 8. Now 3 plus 5 equal 8, which is our target value, and now we have to return for 3 index number and 5's index number. Here for 3 we get the index value of 1, and for 5 we get the index value of 3. So we need to return these two values as a list. This is the basically problem we need to solve. So basically we are given with one list, and then we have to check which of the two list element we are adding, and we are getting the target value here, and then we need to simply return those values index number as a list. So here if we focus on the pseudocode here for the two-sum problem, we will see in this problem we can use hash map to solve it. So for that we need to put a dictionary here, and we need to enumerate the value from the list. So for I comma n, this will be n, I comma n, enumerate the number, enum. Okay, so I'm removing it for now. So here I comma n in enumerate nums, we will get a n value, and now we need to track here. If we focus on the list, we will get here n as 2 and the index value as 0 here. After that, we need to subtract, which will be as difference value equal our target value minus the n value which we enumerated from the list. Now if we have to check if the difference is in the hash map or not, or simply the dictionary or not, we need to check it. After that, if it is in the list, we need to simply return what? Return the new difference value, which will be hash map of difference and simply the other index value, which will be I here. And after that, if our difference value is not in our hash map, we just need to set the hash map value as I. Sorry. Simply I, and after that we just simply return nothing. Okay, so if we simulate here for 2, 3, 4 and 5, our target value is 8. So first of all, from this difference here, we need to check it if our we need to enumerate from for these given number list, which is here in this line. After that, okay, here, so in this line we are starting our loop here. So we are enumerating the values of the list as n is the value, n here is the value, and I here is the index number. After that, the difference, we will calculate the difference, which is subtracting the n value from the target. We are getting a difference value. Now we have to check that the difference value is in the hash map or the dictionary or not. If we get the difference value in our hash map, then we simply return the hash map difference values index and the enumerated values index. So this is the base case for this problem. And after that, hash map of n, if we don't get the difference value in our hash map, so then we just simply put the index value or n value in our hash map and simply return nothing. Here if the value is 2, so if we focus on the simulate here, so we will get the target value as 8 minus 2 here, which will be 6, and 6 is not in our hash map, so we can't return anything. So we will set the hash map 6. We will set the hash map to, we will set the index value, we will set the value 2 in the hash map of index value, which we get as zip. So it will be like this, 2 and 0. After that we will return to the loop again. So now the value will be 3 and the difference here will be 5 here. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 equal 5. So again we will check that the difference value 5 is in our hash map or not. No. So we will again set the 5 value with the index pair of 1. So this will be set to our hash map. So after that we will again return to the loop. Now we are getting the value of 4. So now the difference value will be 8 minus 4, which is 4. Again we will check if the 4 value is in our hash map or not. No, because we have value 2 and 5 with the index value of 0 and 1. After that we will set the 4 value in our hash map. So it will be like this, 4, 2. It will be set to our hash map again. Now we are getting a value of 5. Again we will check the difference value. Here difference value will be what? 8 minus 5, it will be 3. So again we will check the difference value is in the hash map or not. So yes, this time we are getting a hash map value. From here we can see that 2 clone 0, 5 clone 1, and after that we are getting 4 clone 2, sorry, here will be 3 clone 1. So we are getting our 3 value in our hash map. So we will simply return 3 difference value, hash map of difference value 3 comma 1. So it will give the index value of 3, the key value of 3 and 1 is the key value pair. So we will get the value here 1 as. So and this I value will be the index number of 5, which is 3. So here 1 comma 3 will be returned. Now if we simply code here, if we do the code, our hash map equal the difference value. Now for I comma n in enumerate nums, which is the given list here. Now we will calculate the difference value here, target minus n. After that, if the difference value is in our hash map, we will simply return the hash map difference values index number and the given index number. Otherwise we will set the value of n in the hash map with a key value pair. And here we can see that we don't need to return anything. I'm just writing simply return. So if we submit this code here, so here we use dictionary for key value pair, but for this particular problem we are using a value index pair. So from the list we are iterating the value, and for this corresponding value we are getting a corresponding index value, index number as well. And previously I wrote the return here, but there will be a backward indentation. Now this code is good to go. You can see previously I was getting a wrong answer, but now the code is accepted. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with Learn with Afrin. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.